The new doggy door will keep them warm from the wind. It's just a folded up tarp with a piece of wood at the end to hold it from the wind blowing it open. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. We got them a lot of blankets too and some little heating pads in there. They're outdoor heating pads. So they're going to be really warm when they have to stay out for a few hours this winter. We got a whole bunch of pillows and blankets from the thrift store. They're super happy. Can you guys learn to come back in? Can you come back in? Go. Come back in. Come on. Yeah. They want to go in. They want to play. There we go. You two, come on. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Get in. No. Get in there, you goof. Oh my gosh. Get in there. Be a good dog. Get in there. There you go. There you go. Enjoy. Don't peek out. Go lay down. Relax. See, that's your home now. Okay?